Hello everyone, Videos 842 today. Back here with how to play. Today we're looking at how to play the game Rat-a-Tat Cat, which is from GeriMan Games. It says over 1 million sold, as of when I don't know. And it's a winner of Mensa Select. It's a fun numbers card game with cats and a few rats for ages 6 and up, 2 to 6 players. And it's from Wainwright, and this came out in 1996. It's been around for a while. Pretty popular, I do believe. Or at least well known for, it's pretty well known, I would say. In it, you get a bunch of cards. You get 54 number cards. They go from 0 to 9. 7s, 8s, and 9s are rats. You kind of want to avoid them. And there's also a total of 28 cat cards, 17 rat cards, and there's 9 power cards, that being Swap, Draw 2, and Peek, which have different types of cats on them, incidentally. And they kind of do what you would expect. Peek, if you draw this one, for the record, action cards you can only use if you draw them off the top of the deck and you get it into your hand. You cannot use it if you flip it over from your cards in front of you, and you cannot take it from the discard pile and use it. Peek lets you draw the card, you sort everyone, and then you get to peek at one of your cards. So you know what you have, or you can refresh your memory. Swap, again, you sort this, discard it, and you can swap any one of your cards with a card of another player. But it is optional. And the tricky part is you can't look at what you're swapping, so you might be giving away a good card, you might be taking a bad card. And then there's Draw 2, which again, you're going to sell it, and then you discard it, and then you can take 2 more turns, and you would draw the next card from the draw pile, decide if you want to keep it or not. If you don't, then you can discard it and draw again. Or if you decide to keep it, then you forfeit the second turn. It just gives you a second chance, basically. So we'll shuffle everything into the deck. Cards do have a nice lid for this. Actually, no, they don't have a lid for this, but they're a nice stock. They feel pretty nice. It's a pretty inexpensive game that you can get on Amazon easily. As I lose a card. So everyone's going to get 4 cards in play there, and we'll do a 2-player game. The rest become a draw pile. And I believe, do you get to peek at a card to start off? Let's double check here. So you do get to look at your 2 outer cards. So I would look at them. They would look at theirs. And then we're also going to flip over the top card to form a discard pile. If this is an action card, a power card, then you just replace it with another card. Or you start off with another card. So on your turn, like most of these golf games, this is a golf game where you're trying to get the lowest score. I should point out that the game will end in one of multiple ways. It depends. I mean, it's going to end once you think you have the lowest score. You're going to knock on the table and say Rat-a-Tat Cat. Then everyone reveals the cards, and you write up the scores on a sheet of paper. You can play the game in one of 3 ways. You can play until you played a certain number of rounds, maybe 1 per player or 2 per player. You can play a specific length of time, like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever. Or you can play until to try and stay in the game. You play, and when somebody gets 100 points, they're eliminated, and you keep playing until only one person's left standing, and they win the game. I'm going to throw in a 4th option, and that is you just simply play until somebody gets 100 points, and whoever has the lowest score wins the game, or 50 points, or whatever you want. So, what you're going to do is you can take the card in the discard pile, but when you take it, you have to use it. So I'm going to take it, knowing that this is not a good card. It's a rat. And I get rid of it. You can take the top card. Let me just see what they got here. Okay. Take the top card from the drop pile, and you can use it or you can discard it. So he decides not to use it. I will draw a card. It's a 9. Definitely don't want that. He also don't want it. He's going to take this one. He's going to use it. And you keep your cards face down. You don't turn them face up. Oh, I turned mine face up. I apologize. Pretty sure you turn them face down. Apologize if you hear the washing machine going nuts. So yeah, you continue playing. Oh, he gets a peek card. So he can use it, and he's going to peek at one of his cards. And then it comes to me. I'm going to draw a card. It's a 2. Maybe I get rid of this one. And I'm going to say Rat-a-Tat Cat. And so everyone's going to reveal the cards. Ooh. Okay, he's got 2 zeros, but it's not too good. But I got 7, 9. He's got 8. So he would, I guess, win the round. It doesn't say lowest score wins the round, or you get penalized. You just add up your scores, write them down, and lowest score at the end of the game wins, or you do the elimination thing where 100 points and you're out. However you want. Remember, you're trying to get as lowest score as possible. But that's the game in a nutshell. Get the power cards. It's basically a golf game with some power cards. It's fine for what it is. It's fun artwork. I think it's cool. That is that. Comment, like, subscribe, and I know what you think. That's Rat-a-Tat Cat. See ya. Thanks for watching.